Got back from our trip from Orlando, and what do you think of the ride?
It was awesome.
Out of a 10?
That's a different question. Obviously a 10.
Yeah, the ride was actually really cool. It felt like 20 minutes.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's not the ride is not 20 minutes. The whole experience is roughly about, 15 to 20 minutes between the minute you walk into the resistance base, when try not to give a lot away, but when you go into resistance base, when you go into the civilian ship, and then for the rest of it, like, it's roughly 20 minutes. We waited in line maybe 30 minutes before we even got to that point.
Yeah.
But we did wake up at
5?
We woke up at 5
to get to the park.
To be at the park by 6. The park opened up at 6:20. We got through the gate at 6:40, and we were 41.
Yeah. So imagine if you get there at 7:30, chances are you probably won't get.
7:15, all of the boarding passes were out.
Yeah. So if you're going, make sure to get there before 6.
Yeah. So where we were at was there's the ticket, where they scan your bands and your tickets. Then where the ticket box office is, we were behind that at 6 o'clock in the morning. So who knows at what time at the front people were waiting. And I've been reading online, it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. People are camping out. I won't lie, it is a wait.
Yeah, and it's worth it. I gotta say, it is actually worth that wait.
It's not a ride that, at least from the Florida sense, it's not a ride that is common here. It's something that's new. The technology is new. You did not feel like you were on a ride. You felt like you were 100% fully immersed into this Star Wars theme.
The whole vlog that we're posting right now, it was a little weird because we didn't really vlog too much in the park. When we got there, we just went. We didn't take any bags, so we could avoid the bag check. I was gonna take a little camera, but I was like, nah.
But, it was a hassle to even.
Yeah, to bring the camera in, but at least I was able to bring that GoPro in, and we captured the experience. But there's really you could watch it, but when you actually experience it and you're there face to face, it's totally two different things.
Yeah, my brother went with us, and my brother watched the whole experience and watched. There are two different things, which is, it's a very slight difference in the beginning, but pretty much it's the same thing.
Yeah.
My brother watched it, both of them. He watched the whole experience, and he was still, no matter what he knew, he was still amazed because you cannot just grasp the sheer size of what they were able to accomplish. What you see, what you didn't think was. I wasn't expecting to see giant AT-ATs.
I mean, we saw it in someone's video.
I saw it in someone's video, but you know what it is?
But it's from watching it on a little screen to actually experience it. It was, you gotta ride this ride.
It's a full size. There are 2 full size AT-ATs. That was just completely just shocked the heck out of me, because who would have thought that you would see not a destroyed AT-AT like you would see in Star Tours, but a life-size legit AT-AT.
Yeah, you felt like you were there.
You were immersed.
I'm so happy that we got it, and we have another ride in Galaxy's Edge. It needed it. I love the Falcon, because we did the Falcon in the morning too, so I finally got to do pilot. So I've done pilot and gunner. I gotta do engineer next.
I need to move away from pilot up and down.
Yeah, you got up and down twice. The same. We should.
I tried, but you're like, no, I'll go left and right.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you did the last.
You were with me.
I don't remember. I remember you were.
I literally sat on the same side, and I'm like, hey, maybe you want to switch with me, so maybe I can go left and right. And he said no.
Whatever. I don't remember that. It was early, but we got to do that. We got to do the alien swirling saucers. And the alien swirling saucers actually has a music change for Christmas. They say Happy Holidays.
Yeah. So it's I think it's one, they play a Christmas song out of 2 or 3 songs.
Yeah, that's what it felt like.
But I mean, we got, the minute we entered the park, the minute I did the whole boarding a group, which was a pain, we got to explore. It was just Star Wars and Toy Story.
Yeah.
So that's what we did. We did what we could. So we did
Mania.
Yeah, we did Toy Story Mania also. We left because it was around like 8 o'clock, like 8:30. We were lost in the parking lot for about 20 minutes.
I found the car.
Good job. We were lost in the parking lot for 20 minutes. And then, you know, it was kind of a hectic day because we got up really early to get this boarding pass. We did some of the rides. We had to go out, go back to the hotel, check out, eat breakfast.
The Swan and Dolphin.
Yes, we did say at the Swan and Dolphin. I would say awesome place. Parking situation, not the best. Self parking sucks.
Mm-hmm.
It's a long hike.
It's just walking, especially with all those bags. I mean, you could always get those little things to roll it, but it's still.
No, you can't take it that far.
You can't. Well, so never mind. You're walking.
You can't take it that far.
Yeah.
I mean, if it was like a regular basis, fine. But I think the only way is if you do the self parking. If you have a ton of bags and someone comes, gets the car, and then takes it to the front. But it's not connected. So where you park the car and where the front of the building is, it's like two different streets. Mm-hmm. So it would be the wise idea to probably, I think my mom said it was like $10 more for the valet.
Yeah, so just get the valet.
It just makes it easier. And for us, I mean, me and my mom don't like other people touching our cars. So self-parking was perfectly fine. But it was just, I mean, I think it's because it was cold and we didn't.
Yeah, it was a colder temperature, which was nice.
It was 50 degrees.
But it did heat up during the day, and it heated up
It got hot.
But other than that, we went to Epcot too. Mm-hmm. We got our magnets.
Yes, we did.
It's kind of sad though because we can't go back into the parks until January.
I mean,
those are blackout dates.
I mean, it's also a good thing because I have no money.
I know. Neither of us do. The holidays.
At least we get to save up and you know, do the things that we want to do. And plus, I mean, we'll be spending the holidays with our family, so we don't spend it anywhere else. Plus, you know, there's always Universal.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. There is. But we're actually posting this video before a lot of the other ones we have before, since Star Wars, man.
It's Star Wars.
It's Star Wars. So we gotta post this one before our other ones. We have so many on the back burner, and it's just because we've been so busy with work. We've been busy with the new dog, and it's just kind of hard to like balance all those things. It should be a little easier now because I'm not working nights.
Yes, and I'm not stuck with the dog 24/7.
Yeah, so it's good.
I think we're finding a happy balance because between, you know, us getting off the honeymoon, me being horrifically sick for 2 weeks, me getting back into the groove of things, you know, it's taken a lot to bounce back, but I think we're good.
Yeah, and starting today, which is December 16th, I believe, right?
Today is December 16th, yes.
Yeah, starting today, December 16th, I'm going on a diet.
Oh, wow. Recorded it and everything.
So I'm studying it now, but I will hit my goal. And I will stay motivated and positive and all that other jazz.
Yeah. And you know I'm going to help you along.
Yeah, we made a vow to help each other lose weight again.
I mean, I'm fabulous the way I am, but...
But I do want to lose some weight. I gained a lot, especially this year alone. I went from... I don't remember how much, but I gained a lot of weight. Especially on the cruise, I gained like 10 pounds, which you never burned. It burned a little bit, and then Thanksgiving came along, and then a bunch of other stuff came along. So it's
hard to lose weight during the holidays.
But we're gonna do it. So
I'm not going on as strict of a diet as he is. It didn't work for me.
Yeah, it worked for me.
It did not.
But we'll get back on it. And we'll keep you guys posted on the progress.
What are you trying to say? I look horrible the way I am?
Never said that. But we're going to call it a video. But if you guys remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.